Think you know how to travel? These 10 mistakes could ruin your next trip. Mistake 1. Overpacking. Less is more when you're moving every few days. Mistake 2. Using public Wi-Fi without protection. Your data could be stolen. Mistake 3. Eating at tourist traps. Follow the locals to find authentic food. Mistake 4. Not negotiating fares up front. Agree on price before you ride. Mistake 5. Taking photos without asking. Always respect local culture and privacy. Mistake 6. Forgetting a universal adapter. Power outages happen everywhere. Mistake 7. Walking alone at night. Safety first. Stick to well-lit areas. Mistake 8. Cutting it too close. Arrive early. Delays happen. Mistake 9. Being glued to your phone. Put it down and live in the moment. Mistake 10. No plan at all. Balance spontaneity with smart preparation. Avoid these mistakes and your travels will be safer, cheaper, and more memorable.